I'm Tom McLeod, co-founder of McLeod Governance. This is what I would be thinking about this week. Does internal audit need the Institute of Internal Auditors? I received that question in an email invitation last week to speak at a function. It was a very interesting question to receive, and one that I've given considerable thought to both the affirmative and the negative to the issue. Let's start with the negative for one moment. Internal audit does not need the Institute of Internal Auditors, primarily because internal audit is an art. An art does not need some overarching guidance. Instead, it needs the creativity of each practitioner. Internal audit does not need the Institute of Internal Auditors because the Institute of Internal Auditors is, as I've said many times before, too North American centric. Internal audit does not need the Institute of Internal Auditors because the CFO community does not necessarily value the key certification criteria, being the Certified Internal Auditor accreditation. So if that's the negative, what about the positive? Internal audit does need the Institute of Internal Auditors because we need one global voice. Internal audit does need the Institute of Internal Auditors because if we ever seek to have more impact than we currently have, we need to be to a standard that we are all comfortable with, i.e. not the lowest standard. And thirdly, internal audit does need the Institute of Internal Auditors because what is the alternative? To have no structure, to have no guidance, to have no overarching consideration. For me, I do believe very strongly that internal audit does need the Institute of Internal Auditors. That does not mean that there's not, in the words that we use often in our reports, significant opportunities for improvement. But don't throw the baby out with the bathwater.